Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe. From the Konkani cuisine, we will be seeing how to prepare tamble pudi. This can also be called as a chutney powder, and this is usually a dry side dish which is served along with rice during special occasions or functions at home. This can also be used as an alternative for pickle. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients which we require would be 1 cup of chana dal, 1 cup of whole urad dal, 1/4 cup of coriander seed, 10 to 15 dry red chili, gooseberry sized tamarind, few curry leaves, 2 dry coconut, and salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, split open the coconut and remove the inner flesh out of it. Later chop them into thin slices. Later chop them further into smaller pieces. Transfer the coconut pieces into a mixer jar and grind them in pulse until all the coconut pieces are uniformly shredded. Next, take a thick bottom kadai, and once the kadai is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium. Now transfer the chana dal into this and saute this and cook for about a minute in low to medium flame. Now into this add the urad dal as well. Saute the lentils and cook in low to medium flame until they turn golden brown. Make sure to keep mixing the lentils during the dry roasting process as we want it to be uniformly dry roasted. Once your lentils are dry roasted well and they turn golden brown, transfer this into a plate and allow this to cool down in room temperature for some time. Next, into the same kadai, transfer the shredded coconut and saute this and dry roast the shredded coconut for about 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Now transfer the coriander seed, curry leaf and dry red chili into this. Dry roast all the ingredients for another 5 to 10 minutes in low to medium flame. Finally, into this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and the tamarind paste and dry roast all the ingredients. Now we can see all our ingredients are dry roasted well amazingly. The shredded coconut has turned into golden brown. The dry red chili has turned into a little darker shade. The coriander seeds have started to pop. You can even crush the curry leaves with your hands. This is the exact stage where you have to stop further cooking and transfer this into a plate and allow this to cool down for some time. Next, take a dry mixer jar and transfer the dry roasted lentils into it and grind this until you get a fine powder ready. Now transfer this into a plate and next into the same mixer, add the rest of the dry roasted ingredients. Now grind this until you get a smooth consistency ground masala paste ready. Now add the ground masala paste little by little to the lentil powder and mix this well using your hands. Make sure there are no lumps and it is mixed uniformly. Now into this add salt as per taste and mix this once again. Now our delicious tamble pudi is ready. This can be had immediately or you can even store this in an airtight container. This has a very good shelf life of 3 to 4 months. For longer shelf life, you can even refrigerate this. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.